all, and welcome to my channel today. I have an unboxing from Trendsend. Trendsend is a subscription service through the company Evereve. Evereve is a women's fashion store throughout the United States. However, they're not located in my city. I still wanted to give them a try, which is awesome that they have this service. I've used Trunk Club, I've used Stitch Fix in the past, so this is kind of similar to that, in which everything that's in this box comes from a personal stylist of sorts. You sign up online at trendsend.com, and from there you go through a whole process of going through their website, giving them all your information, your likes, your preferences. You have to give your credit card information. They are now charging $20 styling fee as of January 30th. But anything from that styling fee, that $20, gets applied to anything you may purchase out of this box. So let's get to it. Yesterday, I did open this box, take a peek, open things up. But I thought I'd share and see what everyone on YouTube thought. So first thing that comes in the box is a mailer. Anything that you might not want to keep goes in this priority mail envelope. You just put it in there, seal it, send it back, and you don't get charged for it. Anything you do keep, you get charged minus the $20 styling fee. Also, you get an envelope with all of your information from Trendsend. In this envelope, you get a packing list, and again, all of the info, some of which I've kind of shared here today. Like I said, as of January 30th, if you keep 4 or more items, you'll save 10% on your entire price and purchase. And you also, instead of that $1 styling fee that they used to, wasn't a styling fee, actually a processing fee, but that $1 processing fee was replaced with the $20 styling fee. Everything that's on this sheet, again, in the box. So let's go through that in a second. Also, you get a note from your stylist. My stylist, her name is Lindsay M. She says, "Welcome to Trendsend. I was so excited to style your box and eager for you to receive your first box." Again, this is my first box. "I sent you a variety of merchandise that can be worn now, but transition into the upcoming spring, summer season. Please try everything on and let us know if you need a different size or color. We'd be happy to exchange that out for you." So that's good. If it doesn't fit and you like it, you can still exchange it. "Hope you love your outfits." So outfit 1 included the Lucca twist front tee. Here it is. And I had asked my stylist to style something with stripes in a t-shirt. I happen to have other striped t-shirts, but I was looking for something new, different. I don't know. This t-shirt retails for $42. Again, remember, I've already paid $20 towards the box, so technically this would now just cost me $22 if I kept it. The next item is the Anorak utility jacket. That's in the bottom of this box. I actually have something similar to this. I actually have 2 jackets similar to this. I like it, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it because, again, I have 2 different jackets, one a little shorter and one similarly. But this jacket is very soft. It's nice. If I didn't have, I probably would keep this. And this retails for $138. The next item is the 7 for All Mankind high waist Josephina with rolled hem. These are a premium denim. I can tell you 7 for All Mankind is always premium. Here they are. I have to be honest with you. I am more a skinny girl jean. I opened these and right away I wasn't in love with them. They're not distressed. They're just a plain, simple jean. And they cost, how much do they cost again? They cost $189, and I don't love them. They also have the button fly, which I haven't worn button flies since I was like 18. And I gotta tell you, not a fan. If you can see what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing skinny jeans. They're distressed. They're more my style. And they're premium. These are AG. I don't have a problem with the premium tag if I like it. This wasn't loving. I mean, I'll still try it on for you, but just not my taste. Okay. And the next item is the Allison Joy Drew V-neck banded top. This top is really pretty. And I have to admit, it is perfect for spring and even fall. I don't know if you can see the colors in it, but it has, not only is it like a yellow mustardy color, but it has whites and blues. It's very, very pretty. And I even like the shape of it. This top actually retails, sorry, where's the tag? Where's the tag? There it is. It retails for $78. And sorry. Next is the Peyton Jensen Tucker Burnout Tunic. That's this sweatshirt. I have to be honest, I like this. I just don't know if I need another heavy sweatshirt, sweater as we're heading into spring. As I say this, it is 30 degrees, snowing, gray, and freezing out. But still, I have so many warmer layers that I'm trying to head towards springtime. But again, I'd like to give it a try. And I also absolutely am obsessed with the fact that it has the thumb hole to it. I love that. I don't know about you, but just something about that. And this one retails for $68. Last but not least are the Level 99 Karli utility pants. These are white, which, okay, I get it. Like I just said, heading into spring, definitely could use some lighter pieces to go in, but I actually have white denim from last year from Articles of Society, and I love them, and I don't think I need another pair of white jeans. Also, something I'm not in love with is the fact that, I don't know if you can see this, but there are these huge pockets that are right here, and I tend to have hips. I can't help it. It's just my body shape. And I don't know if those are going to look great on me. I'm not thinking they're going to work. But again, nice pair of jeans. Just not so sure I'm in love with them. But you can see frayed hem. And these retail for $128. So again, that's all that came in my box. And I think it's time for the try-on. So bear with me and I'll be back in a few minutes with the try-on for you all. Hi all, I'm back with outfit number 2. And for this outfit, she had paired the Level 99 Karli utility pant in white, as you can see here, with the Allison Joy Drew V-neck banded top. I'm loving the top. As I told you before, if you could see all the colors in this top, the yellow heading into spring, even the white and the blue, all of it, very, very springy. I can even see this going into next fall, being that this is a yellow mustard color, so really nice. The fit's not bad. You can wear it with the elastic band like this. You could possibly even do a front tuck. I don't know if you can see that, where you keep it longer in the back. All in all, the shirt works for me. I think I'm keeping this one. The jeans, though, I gotta be honest, I am not loving them. Just as I suspected, I don't love those big banded pockets. I don't know if you can see it, but they're right there, accentuating my hips, which I'm not a fan of. I don't like. Again, that frayed hem, which actually my Articles of Society's white jeans from last spring, summer have the same thing, but they just fit better. They look nicer. These, again, not a fan. I'm also wearing these boots, which were from Trunk Club. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in them. They're Blondo. They're waterproof. I wear them so much right now because the weather outside, like I said today, snowing, snow, rain, you name it, these boots, they go so nice with so many different outfits, and they work in so many different weather types pretty much. But let me pause and get the second sweatshirt that my stylist actually paired with these white jeans as well. So hang on, I'll be right back. So I'm back with the sweatshirt, which was the Peyton Jensen Tucker Burnout Tunic. I love this sweatshirt. I just don't know if I need it right now heading into spring. But like I said to you before, the thumb cutouts, oh my God, love them. The style on this sweatshirt actually makes these jeans a little better. More likable anyways. But I don't know if you can see, it has like this band, so the front is a little bit shorter than the back, so the back definitely hides the worst parts, you bum. Also, here in the back, they have this, like, I guess, banded line that's like stitched down the back. I like that. All in all, I like the detail on this, but it's so soft. But I don't know if I need it, and it is $68, and I could probably use that money to get more stuff going towards spring. I don't know. I'm going to think about this one, but she also said I could pair it, and I got in a recent Trunk Club Commando faux leather pants, which I could see. This could go nice because, again, it covers your butt area, your tush. And I think it could look nice with that. So maybe, but let me know what you think. Be right back with the next outfit. I'm back with the next outfit. This time out, these are the 7 for All Mankind. A high-waist Josephina with the rolled hem, as I told you earlier. I don't know if you can see. These had the high waist, the button fly. Again, they're just plain, simple jeans. They do fit tighter up here, which is nice, but I'm not loving the bottom of these. I would have rathered a more tapered, skinny, form-fitted jean. Next is also that utility jacket that I mentioned earlier. This is by Anorak. Again, I love it. It's that like khaki army green, but I have 2 other jackets like this. One a little shorter and one a little longer. One is by Sanctuary. The shorter one is by Sanctuary, and the longer is by Free People. So I really don't need this, but for the sake of details, 2 things that I wanted to point out that I really like. I don't know if you can see this, but the zipper on this, it has 2 zippers. So when zipped, like this, if I can zip it for you. So when I zip it up, not that I don't know if I'd be wearing it zipped very often, but if you look, that bottom zipper, technically you can open some of it. I don't know why you would do that, but I do like that. I have a North Face, heavy North Face coat that does that. And I know, especially when you're sitting in like the car or whatever, that zipper is nice to have to give you a little leg room. The other thing that I like is it has the pull tabs. So you can tie to technically make it a little bit more form-fitted in the waist. Again, all in all, really nice jacket. I just happen to own two that are similar, and I don't need another. Now on to the final piece in this box, which happened to be, I believe, from Z Supply. Yes, this is the Z Supply Lucca front tee. Again, I asked her for stripes. She delivered. I do like this rolled. I didn't know if I was going to like this because I have another shirt like this. And I'm always like, I don't know why I bought that because it's cute, but I know it's a fad at this point. But I do like it. And my thought, I believe I'm going to wear this with my skinny jeans, I have a mustard duster cardigan coat. And I'm going to wear it that way with my tan boots. I think it'll look good because I was picturing like doing a front tuck with the shirt, and this kind of gives that illusion of it. So for the price, I believe I said this one was $42, and I've already paid $20 into the box. I think this shirt is a definite. The other almost definite in this box is the Allison Joy, but I'll be back in a moment to do a wrap up. So hang on a sec. Hi again. Welcome back. Just a quick wrap up. I've pretty much given you all the prices on everything. But as of right now, it looks like this Z Supply t-shirt in the striped pattern is a definite winner. I'm keeping that. So at this point, I'm looking at least $22 out of this box that I'm paying out of pocket since I already put out that $20 styling fee. The only other one, like I said, I think I'm keeping the Allison Joy shirt and possibly the Tucker Burnout Tunic. I just love to hear your thoughts. Like I said, this one I'm really on the fence because we are heading to spring. Not that this isn't a good layering piece or it would keep me warm because it's going to be cold probably for at least another month or two here. But still, I've bought a lot of stuff recently that will keep me warm, so I don't know if I need another piece. But again, I would love to hear your thoughts, and I thank you for watching. I hope you can hit the subscribe button underneath if you like this video. And if you do want to try Trendsend, I once again will leave my referral link in the comments. And I think that's it. And I'll be back again soon with more unboxings. Thanks again. Have a great day, all.